Hello YouTube, I was using Mac OS X Snow Leopard today on a Mac machine, which was an actual laptop. I think it was a MacBook Pro. I borrowed it off somebody to see what it was like, and I'm very disappointed with the actual operating system. Disappointed firstly because you paid quite a lot of money for it, to be honest with you. You paid about £1,000 for this laptop, so I was expecting quite a lot out of it. As soon as I go into a Mac, I don't feel like it's my own desktop. I don't feel like it's my own operating system, to be honest with you, because you can't customize it. The dock is always going to be the same. You cannot change it. You can't change the colour. You can't change anything about it. That's what sucks about Macs first. You can't change anything about it. You can't change the bar at the top. You can't change the dock at the bottom. You can't change your Finder windows or anything like that. You can't do that, but you can do it with Windows 7. You can change the arrow theme to a different colour, or change the background and stuff like that. You can change whatever you like. With it was, I wanted to really try the Mac App Store, and I was really disappointed with that as well. The first reason being, I was searching and there actually isn't much in there that interests me, to be honest with you. Most of the apps in there was Facebook clients and stuff like that. I tried searching for Office, Word Office, nothing came up. I tried searching for iLife, but now you have to go and download that off the Apple website. But that doesn't make sense. Why didn't they just include that in the App Store? I don't understand that at all. Ridiculously overpriced. So I've just touched on that, but it costs about £1,000 for this laptop, and probably my laptop, what costs like £400, could do what that did, which was quite interesting. Not buying a laptop, you are buying the logo, basically. You're buying the Apple thing around it. You're buying Apple's product, and there's all personas around it that Apple's better than Windows because it doesn't get any viruses, or it's just got a better design. It doesn't mean the inside of the computer is going to be any better than a £1,000 laptop what you can get in a retail store, and not Apple. So what I would recommend is going to an actual, just researching it. Don't just think that Mac is going to work for you like I did. I was actually going to buy a Mac, but I didn't after having this test on a Mac. OS 10, or whatever it's called, is a lockdown version of the open source Linux. So if you look inside of Linux, it looks exactly like it. Now it does have loads of apps, but I'll give it that. It has loads of apps and stuff like that. I like the software that you have on it for video editing and stuff. If you want a laptop or computer for video editing, making websites, all the creative stuff around that, I would recommend buying a Mac. But if you're just doing normal stuff with a computer, all you need is Windows 7 really. I think the dock is really annoying. The magnifier is annoying as well. You can't find what you want when you want it. There's the dock, you have all the buttons here, but the windows open in a different side of the dock, so you have to like keep switching to. It's just so confusing. I don't like that bit. And the general screen layout, if you have loads of windows open, like loads of everywhere, then it doesn't block them all off. It just puts them everywhere all over your screen, so you don't know which window you're dealing with at a certain time, which is quite annoying as well. Next one, gaming and graphics in general, so-called Macs. Yes, we all know this. The only game they have pre-installed on a Mac is Chest, and it looks actually outdated from the rest of them. Even Windows 7 looks the Chest in Windows 7 looks better than the one in Macs. Macs are not flexible or customizable, so if you buy a Mac, you can't take bits out of it and start adding stuff onto it, because Apple don't want you to do that. They want you to buy an updated version, because that means more money for them in the long run. Now, I'm not really hating on Mac users or saying that nobody should buy Macs. Macs are really good computers if you use them right. Now, me being a Windows user for God knows how many years, I'm familiar with Windows and I like Windows. The upside to Mac is that you don't get any viruses, but the downside to Mac is it's not customizable and it's just hard to work with sometimes when you've got loads of windows open or you're multitasking in there. So that's just my overview of it. I wonder what you think of it. Please post a comment down below what you think of Macs. Please don't put any spam like, oh, Macs are so wonderful, because they are wonderful, but in their own right. So, no, what I'm trying to say is no operating system is better than the other. You can't argue that Windows is better than Mac, or Mac is better than Windows, or Linux is better because it's open source. You can't say that, because they've all got the disadvantages and the advantages in their operating system. That's what I'm trying to put across today. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. This has been PC Windows Online, and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.